Okay, so today I pressure washed that back portion of the house, the roof there, this side, and used my gas-powered hedge clippers, shaped this up nice and cut it back to where it belongs. Pressure washed the deck. This was covered in algae. Covered. Now it has some clippings because I cut the bushes. The roof upstairs cleaned up nicely. That was covered in moss, thick with moss. But that cleaned off nicely. I cleaned the gutters out on the top of that roof. I pressure washed this cement, cleaned this portion of the house, and this portion of the house and the walk here. And let's see what's going on in the front. In the front, we are finishing up on this. We use the palm sander to prepare those surfaces and caulked it, primed it with this primer. Sticks, that's good stuff. Love the sticks. Primed it, and now we're putting the top coat of Benjamin Moore Regal Select Low Luster Exterior. When I return, actually I got to make samples. I have 2 sample containers of gray I'm going to put for review. But yeah, this went well, and we'll put the numbers back on now.